Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your name on Facebook quickly and easily step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Now click here profile icon and scroll down. Then click on setting and privacy and click on setting option. Then click on see more in account center and click on the profiles icon and click on the Facebook profile icon. Okay, then click on the name option and enter your name and scroll down, reboot change. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.